visit to the oldest nursery in Noida in Sector 39. So today we are visiting the nursery. Here there are beautiful flowers, leaves, trees and many other types of flowers. So let's go and enjoy the beautiful nursery. I hope everyone will like, share and subscribe our channel Meenu K. So here everyone can see beautiful pink blooming flowers. So friends, now we are
at the famous Noida nursery. This is also located in Sector 18, right besides the DLF Mall.
yes.
One of the oldest nurseries of Noida. You can find every single flower, plant, tree, shrub, everything that you require all under one roof at reasonable cost and beautiful collection.
Yes,
You can see the palms
yes,
and all kind of flowers, roses.
and many butterflies are here. Like I love butterflies. So especially I am locating butterflies because I want to show you. So here many types of trees, roses, flowers.
Palm tree, look at this palm tree. It's one of the most beautiful trees that I have seen. And right behind is the temple that we showed you in the beginning. So this is one big area where everything can be found.
And this is actually our third vlog, and 3 places we are going in one vlog. So I hope everyone will like a video, share it and subscribe. And we are going here.
And you can also hear the sound of the koel.
Yes. So here this. So
there is a tomb also here, which has been built in the memory of somebody. It looks like a very old tomb, so not very clear, but our respect to it.
yes. So I don't know where will we go, but it's taking us to a new route. And here, sorry guys, we cannot go further because here all the kachra and
Looks like a junkyard.
yeah, it's looking like junkyard.
And not very safe also, so we will turn back from here.
And I will just show you one beautiful thing, and I hope everyone will like it. Cactus, and these are real cactus. Like we have, see, it's aloe vera plant.
And the cactus has flowers in it, you can see.
Wow, it's
but
amazing.
Unfortunately, it's not being taken care of.
Yes, because all this kuda and all this
they've turned it into a junkyard.
Yes, and it's not looking good.
So we will turn our steps back now.
Yeah, but we will try to show you more pics and videos. So here going. So, oh wow, ladybird, if you can see it. I love ladybirds and I have touched them also. So friends, now I'm going inside because then everyone can see it nicely and clearly. So I'm going carefully. Here all types of plants, trees, flowers. Wow, I'm loving this. And here they are growing, these plants, and they will grow further. So here more plants, and here more plants. So that, like that one that I showed you earlier, it was also cactus. This is also cactus. In our garden we also have these types of flowers. And what's this? I think it's tomato or something else. Friends, if you can see these small red flowers or whatever it's, I don't know. If you know about it, please comment and tell us if you know anything about this plant. And I have not seen this plant ever, so it's a good experience for me. Now I'm going ahead, and there I'm going.
Lemongrass.
Okay, so this is lemongrass, and these are, I am liking these trees actually. And friends, you like the ladybird? And
I think it's something in the family of money plants.
what?
These leaves.
These leaves, na? These curly type of leaves I love, because I love curly things. So we will go backwards. We will go that-ward, because I want to show many things towards you. Oh my God! One dog is sleeping, friends.
Oh yes.
Oh
You can go inside.
no! No.
He is reminding me of Rotu.
Yeah, and you will say, who is Rotu? Rotu is our dog. He sits outside our house, and I hope everyone can see this dog. Like, I'm scared, friends. Where is he? I think nobody can see him. Yeah. Can you see him? So comment fast. And see, we are going inside the trees, and plants and all the kidas, makodas are here. So we are doing, in the sun we are making the video. Okay, so this doggy has woken up and I am very scared. So I am going here. So we are doing so much here. So friends, we are doing so much for you to enjoy and entertain. So please like this video and share it. And do subscribe. Minuke. Okay, so we are going because it's time to go. And it's very sunny. And here, what are this, mom? What are this?
I don't know the plant's name.
Okay.
They've not written the name
They
of the
are not
plants.
labeled.
They haven't labeled it.
One more doggy. He's black in color. So wow, can I go in here, mama?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try.
Be careful.
I think there is a creature. There are many creatures here.
Creature.
Yeah. So here, I hope everyone can see I'm going further. And I'm going everywhere. Wow! Ma! See here? So here, so nice pots. And I was going to show you this tree, this fluffy tree, and this is like the Christmas tree, which is covered with wires, and this is the circle tree, which covered with wires, and this is also,
Rotu.
yes, the camera is on.
You're neater than Rotu.
He is.
Shake hand.
Oh, hello doggo. Can I also touch it?
Yeah.
I thought you were Jamli. But you are not. You are so cool. So these plants that I was showing you.
Do you know the cost of these plants? Friends, they are starting
From 3,000 to 5,000
and beyond.
and beyond. So wow, I saw white butterfly. Wow. I'm saw a white butterfly. I want to catch it, but it's going somewhere else. But friends, please don't waste money buying 5,000 rupees plants, and like you can go and buy something else for you. If you are buying only these small tree covered plants which are looking like Christmas tree, you should buy Christmas trees. No friends, it's totally bad, and it's totally bad. I don't like it. I'm liking it, but the cost is, it's not worth it. Now I'm gonna show you some more things. So here also, I think these are also very expensive. Is when a plant is only this much. So wow.
Lovely flowers.
Yeah, I was showing that only. So this and here, and there are many flowers here. Many. So wow, I'm loving this. Okay. I'm going backwards, and I'm loving all the plants, but they are very expensive to buy. So here all many plants. Oh my god, friends. Oh my god. So what's this for? How much?
300.
So this is for 300, and I think so. Well, ma, either we should buy something else. I'm liking more. See, ma, that creatured one which has many types of that.
It's not a creature.
Sorry,
Those are
sorry.
Buddhajis.
No, not that. Something else. And here also. So friends, it's now actually very sunny, and it's 3:51. I'm telling the exact time. So it's 3:51 and it's so hot, but now I am now wearing a hat because it's so hot, warm. That's why I'm wearing a hat. So here we will finish our vlog, and I hope you like our big vlog because it was too big, and I hope everyone will like our this type of vlog. If you want more this type of vlogs, please comment and like and subscribe to Meenuke. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and bye doggy. Bye. See, the doggy is also saying. And friends, I hope you really enjoyed our today's vlog to the nursery. Our last vlog was visit to the temple, and today this time we are visiting the nursery, and I hope everyone will like, share and subscribe this video. Our next video will be a surprise for you all. So you want to see that video, so please like, and I want that this video should have 1000 likes, 1k likes, and 1k views. So if you want to see our next vlog, please do that. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.